Hey guys, so we're staying at the Villas at the Disneyland Resort, and I've been wanting to give you guys a really in-depth room tour, so let's go. This was our 5th time staying on property, 4th time at the Disneyland Hotel, and 1st time being hosted with David's Vacation Club Rentals. When booking with David's, you can save anywhere from 20 to 50% off of DVC rooms without having to be a DVC member. Now, when you leave the main lobby of the Disneyland Hotel, you can get to the Villas from 2 different ways, but if you head to the right, you're going to use the more scenic route. You'll pass by Goofy's Kitchen on the right-hand side, and then you'll keep following this tropical pathway, which will lead you to both pools. We can get a good look at the monorail slides at Trader Sam's, and then they have this really nice fireplace sitting area. And then you'll just follow the signs to the Discovery Tower, and if you can't find it and you think you've lost your way, just follow the trail of pixie dust. The motto for the Villas at the Disneyland Hotel is welcome home, and I think that this is one of the sweetest sentiments. Whenever you run into a cast member in the lobby or in the Discovery Tower itself, they will always say welcome home, and it's just such a nice feeling. When you enter the Discovery Tower lobby, you're going to see this amazing Disney character mural off to the side. You can see there is so much detail and so many characters hidden within this mural. My daughter and I stood here multiple times during our trip, and we were just in awe of seeing all of our favorites showcased in such a beautiful way. Moving through the lobby, we can see the pool access and Palm Breeze bar entrance. And let's take the elevators up so that we can head to the 8th floor and show you our room. We had a standard view room, so we looked out to the city of Anaheim, but we weren't here for the view. We were here for the resort and for the room. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but I for one hate hotel room doors, so having the mobile door unlock feature on my app was fantastic. Starting off, we have the first mural wall, which is no stranger to all of the Disney details. We are staying in a Tiana themed room, so there's so many different lily pads and florals, and it's just gorgeous. Off to the left-hand side, we have the bathroom with the most amazing lighting you will ever see. We have some more of those lily pads and lotus flowers. They go all up and around these mirrors. We have a shower stall with tub, which is super important for families. I love the dual shower head. To turn this one on, you just want to make sure that this knob is switched all the way over. And for the littles who need to take a bath, you just press the drain once for the drain stopper, and then press it again so then all the water can release. Just like any Disney hotel, you have the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, all complimentary and built in. And of course, we always bring our own shower stuff as well. There is a hideaway toilet here for some extra privacy. And this painting of Mama Odie's chambers, I'm obsessed with it. You guys might have to settle this. My daughter thinks that this is a hidden Mickey. I'm not sold. It's like sideways, so like ears and then body. I don't know. You guys tell me. The villas come with so much storage. These are 6 full-size drawers. I won't show you all of them because it has our stuff in it, but this one's kind of our junk drawer for when we stay at Disney, so you can see just like space-wise. Some more storage on this side. This is where we have chosen to keep our park bags just to keep them out of the way. Let's take a second to appreciate all of these details as well. I see a lily pad, I see Evangeline and Tiana's crown and a lotus flower. I still haven't figured out what this one is, but it's still cute. There are 2 roll-away stools, which are really nice. Perfect place to sit and do your makeup and get ready right here in the mornings. The glare is kind of ruining it, but there are 3 different Tiana themed photos above the sitting area. This one is my favorite. Underneath the photos is a nice little sitting area. And we have our hotel phone, paper pad and pen, the in-room dining menu. Let's take a look. Breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. And then dinner is available from 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. You also get this complimentary welcome home package with a really cute picture of Steamboat Willie. We get this every single time that we stay on property. Bed number 1 is a queen size bed. You guys look at the rug. It says blue skies and sunshine. The detail is just what really blows my mind in all of these rooms. The headboard is the Art Deco piece of Tiana's palace when she's fantasizing and dreaming about her restaurant. We have Miss Tiana front and center. And Tiana and her mom off to the side here. There is an outlet, USB, and USB-C port on both sides of the headboard, which is really nice. And then the light switch for the headboard is going to be this guy right here. So this is what it looks like on and off. On. I like it better on. Do you see pixie dust? I see pixie dust. I think Tink was in here. We have the couch sitting area complete with ottoman, but it is not just an ottoman. Scarlett, you want to show them what we figured out or what you figured out?
Which part do you want me to open? This side or this side? Which one? Okay. Come a little bit closer. Look down.
More storage. So both of these panels are removable and you can just stow away your stuff. I don't know if you guys are like us, but I like to keep feeling like I am in the resort bubble, making sure that everything stays nice and clean. So being able to hide all of our stuff is really, really nice. Plus, we've been using this as kind of like a tabletop tray for our food, which is super cool.
Right.
Just like that, exactly.
Yeah. Oh, wait, we need to get these out. Do you know why we have to get these out?
Why do we have to move those, Scarlett?
Because
What's behind there?
that's my bed.
You're kidding.
No,
Let's show them. Let's roll this out of the way.
Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Mom, can you help me?
Of course I can. No hands. This is a safety feature, so it's not going to come crashing down on you. You do have to give it a nice little tug to make the bed come completely down. And there we have it, bed number 2. The cutest thing about this is that this bed has baby Tiana asleep. All of the details that I love in this one. You can see she's sleeping, but she also has the little crown underneath her pillow. She's dreaming in her dreams. You can see her father's gumbo pot and a ladle. And then we have the reflections of Tiana's mom and dad looking at her while she's sleeping, which is so sweet. And I see one more up there. Miss Evangeline. I will say, this bed is more ideal for kids. I laid on it. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world, but it'll work. I definitely prefer this one though. Some of my favorite things can be found on the Disney On Demand tab on the TVs. Bedtime Stories is what we end every night with, and then they also have some National Geographic, Star Wars shorts, and then the D23 Fun Facts are one of the things that Scarlett and I spent so much time on this trip. We watched every single one of them. They're about 3 to 5 minutes long, and if you're Disney nerds just like we are, you will love this. Each room in the villas comes with a kitchenette, which is so nice. You have a fridge, fully stocked, might I say. We bring so much stuff with us when we're staying on property just because it's nice to have some stuff for the rooms. And you will never find our fridge without a caramel apple. The coffee bar is poppin' with a Keurig machine. I brought my own coffee, but it is nice that they provided this anyway. We brought 3 waters with us this trip. This is our last one and we leave tomorrow, so I'd say we did pretty good. Each room comes with a microwave. And then up top here we have a toaster and our ice bucket. But wait, there's more. It comes with a full silverware set, glasses for drinking, coffee mugs, plates, bowls, the whole shebang. Obviously you have a sink for all of your dishes, and then underneath here is where you're gonna find paper towels and then dish soap, sponges, and rags. And some more storage. Here we have a look at the closet. Up top we have some more storage and all of the hangers provided, but the best part, if we move all of this out of the way, we can see Miss Tiana's clothes. I think that that's such a fun detail. What's behind door number 3, you ask? Let's find out. More storage. This is where we chose to put all of our shoes, but they also have a hospitality steam iron, a safe, a laundry hamper, extra pillows and blanket, but we've already taken that out, and an ironing board complete with iron. I'm not going to go into too much detail about the recreational areas because I do want to show that in one of our Disneyland Day vlogs, but I do want to give you guys a quick glimpse of the pool. Getting there through the Discovery Tower is so easy. You just exit out these doors and you head right into the Palm Breeze bar where you can get to either side of the pool on the left or right hand side. So this is the DVC access. They have the cutest Steamboat Willie splash pad. And the smokestack is going. And this is the pool side with tons of seating everywhere. And when you go over on this side of the Palm Breeze bar, we have the rest of the pool area and what we're really here for.
Slides.
The slides. And a couple of my favorite features that they have here is not only do they have a water bottle refill stations, they also have cold ice water that you can refill in cups. And they have lifeguard jackets for kids of any shape and size. Below the monorail slides, you'll find access to both the D and E ticket pools, and then off in the corner is where you're gonna find the jacuzzi. The last thing that I wanted to show you was the guest laundry area. This is also gonna be in the Discovery Tower. Now, we stayed here for 3 nights, so we didn't need to use this service, but I feel like if we would have stayed any longer, I definitely would have used the washer and dryer. And I do want to give a quick disclaimer. This is available to use for all Disneyland Hotel guests, not just those staying in the Discovery Tower. In this room, you'll find 10 washing machines, 6 dryers, and all of your laundry detergent needs. Seriously, Disney thinks of everything. They have a kiosk to pay and a vending machine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to follow along for our Disney adventures.